what today people feel it's an informed career choice, but it's actually not.
So, खुशबू, आपने यहाँ पे अभी कहा है कि इन्फॉर्म करियर चॉइसेस होनी चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज दिस इन्फॉर्म करियर चॉइसेस और इसका लॉजिक क्या है बेसिकली?
This is a very important question, Vikram. In fact, telling about my personal story, I was somebody who was always very planned and wanted to understand the why behind everything. So when I was making my career choice, and I had my dad's support and mom's support all throughout. So हम career counselors के पास गए, 2-3 लोगों के पास गए, काफी कुछ किया, and I thought I was making an informed career choice, only to know within first 10 days of my internship that I've made a mistake, right? So I'm going to tell you what today people feel it's an informed career choice, but it's actually not. If I ask you something about your career and you've introduced it in a very superficial manner, meaning, for example, I ask you, oh, you want to be an architect? Why do you want to be an architect? What does an architect do? They'd be like, oh, they design buildings and I love designing. Wrong. If you talk to an architect, designing building is just 10% of the job. हम इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा आर्किटेक्ट ने ये पूरा बनाया है तो आर्किटेक्ट हैज डिजाइन, right? But if you actually talk to the architect, you will know 10% of the job is designing, and there's a lot more to it behind the scenes which you don't know about, including shopping for the interior materials, talking to the contractors in the under construction side, getting that executed. That is 80% of the job. Getting clients, convincing clients, doing tie-ups with interior design firms, etc., right? So, and first 5 years of architecture is very different from next 5, so on and so forth, right? To make an informed career choice, you have to talk to that person. If you don't have the luxury to talk to that person, use the internet and understand thoroughly कि lifetime में क्या तरीके का काम करना है, right? And it's not complex. You can understand in a very simple manner. Albert Einstein has once said, if you truly understand something, you can explain it to a 5-year-old. If you yourself don't understand it, then you can't explain it to anybody and you'll think it's too complex. So, कोई भी अगर आपको बोलता है कि अरे नहीं ये तो बड़ों की बात है, ये हम नहीं समझा पाएंगे, I wouldn't agree with that.